Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the packages in Java. Also we will discuss about the import keyword in Java. So first of all, what is a package? A package can be defined as grouping of related classes interfaces providing access protection and namespace management. So package is just like a folder. It is collection of the related types of classes or interfaces. So this is just like a folder. And what is import keyword? The import keyword is used to make the class and interface of another class accessible to the current package. For example, we have two packages. One is declared in this package and one class is declared in the other package. If I want to use the class of the other package in this package, then I use the import keyword. So let's see how we can create a package in Java. So here in NetBeans, first of all, if I click on the new project, you will see this dialog box and I click on the Java application. Next, and now if I type here like packages in Java, okay, and when I click on the finish, you will see here package Java packages in Java is the name of this package. Now package is also a keyword that help us to create a package. So by default, NetBeans create the package with the name of the file basically. So name of the file is packages in Java. So it also create a package with the name packages in Java. Now where is this package present? If I go to my computer, you can see packages in Java. I go to the source. Then you can see in the source folder packages in Java. Basically the package is present in this folder. This is a package. Package is nothing, just a folder of the files. When I open this package, you will see packages in Java is present in this folder. So package is just like a folder. So how I can change the name of the folder if I want to change my name? So I just go to the projects tab and here I just scroll down. You can see the package here, packages in Java. I right click on it and go to the refactor, and here you can see the rename option. When I click on the rename and I type here my package, okay, when I click on the refactor, then you can see that my package is now present at here. So in this way we can use the packages. Packages is nothing, just a collection of the related files. Okay, so in this way we can create the package. Now if I go to the projects, and in this package if I want to create another package, I right click on it and click on new package and I type here inner package. So this is the package which is present inside this package. You can see that my package dot inner package. So in this we can create the inner package also in Java. Now how we can use the import keyword? Now for example, I want to take input from the user. Then for taking input from the user, I have to use the scanner class which is defined in the util package. So how can I import that class in this program? I first of all type here the import keyword, this one. After that I type here Java, which have the sub package called the, and these are the packages in Java. You can see here these are the packages. So I have to use the utility, then dot, then I can access all the classes in this package. So I type here S, you can see this scanner class. So in this way I have import the scanner class in my program. So this is the use of the import keyword. Import keyword help us to import the classes from the other packages. The classes which are defined in the other packages are imported by the import keyword. You can see here java.util is the package and scanner is the class which is present inside the util package, and I have imported this class in the package, and now I can use this class in my program. So this is the concept of the package and the import keyword. So the package differentiate the classes. We can store same type of classes in a single package. I hope you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding the packages and import keyword, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.